Have you come across Muravai and wondered if it's actually legitimate? Or is it just another website that promises a lot but fails to deliver? In this review, we'll look at the facts to help you decide if Muravai is worth your time and money. At first glance, Muravai appears to be a typical online store. It offers a variety of products at prices that can seem very attractive. That's usually what catches people's attention. But low prices alone don't prove a website is trustworthy. One of the first things you should check is the company's transparency. Does the website clearly list its contact details? Does it provide a real business address and responsive customer support? Legitimate online stores usually make this information easy to find. If important details are missing or difficult to verify, that's something to keep in mind. Another thing to consider is the website's reputation. Before buying anything, look for recent customer reviews on trusted review platforms. Pay attention to repeated complaints about shipping delays, poor product quality, or customers who never receive their orders. On the other hand, consistent positive reviews from verified buyers are usually a good sign. It's also worth checking the site's policies. A clear return policy, refund process, and secure payment options can increase confidence. If these policies are vague or confusing, you should proceed carefully. That doesn't automatically mean Muravai is a scam. New online stores often have limited reviews because they're still growing. However, limited information also means you should do extra research before making a purchase. If you decide to order, consider starting with a small purchase instead of spending a large amount right away. Using a payment method that offers buyer protection is also a smart idea.